So today we're gonna be seeing what's in my daughter's Easter basket. I'm so excited to do this video. I love watching like mom inspired videos, and I was just so excited to do this and like pick out things for her Easter basket. And this is her first one, so I didn't want to go too crazy, but I had to do one for her first Easter. A lot of the things that are in here are very affordable, and most of them are from like the Dollar Tree or Target, like the Target little dollar spot. So I'll go over everything that's in here, and I can't wait to show you guys. So I'll start with the basket. I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was so cute, like, and I thought of like ideas that I could use it afterwards. Like I could put it like in her closet and store like her shoes or like her extra, you know, like clothes or diapers or something in it. Or you could store it under the sink and use it for like organization, for stuff like that. But yeah, I thought it was really cute. They have it in different colors too, so if you have a boy you could do like blue or something. But yeah, so the first thing I got was, I'll start with the ears. I got these at Target for $1 in the little dollar spot. I thought these were so cute. And I have a picture of her in them that I took at Target, so I'll post that in here too so you can see it. Then I got her this little book, If I Were a Rabbit. It's so cute. And it has like the little like different, you know, textures that she can like touch and stuff. I thought that was so cute. So she has her first little Easter book. I think I got this at TJ Maxx. It was really cheap. Next thing are these little bows. I love these little bows for her hair. The colors are so pretty. They're like a pastel, so it's perfect for Easter. And I like them because they don't have the little like metal backing. And I got these at Burlington for $2.99. These shoes were adorable. Oh my gosh. I got these at Target, and I thought they were super adorable. They're a little bit big on her, but it's all good. Her feet are pretty big. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of 3 for $1, so I just stuck one of these in there. She loves bubbles. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. She can never have enough bath toys. They're like little animals, little turtle. So cute. I got these at the Dollar Tree as well. They're like gardening tools, I guess, but she can just play with them like outside or something. And I didn't want to get her like candy or anything like that. She's still pretty young, so I don't want her eating too many like, you know, sweets. So I purchased these eggs at the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of 6, and I figured I could just stick like her little snacks in there. She really likes these broccoli curls, so I was gonna just stick some of those in there like the day of, so they don't get, you know, like stale. So I thought that was really cute, and she can always play with these too, like, and I'll save them for next year. But yeah. And then these were so adorable. These are from Target, and they have little chicks on them. They're so cute. And I actually buy these all the time because they're only $1 and they're super cute. They always have them at the Target little dollar section. And I got this at the Dollar Tree again. It's a little rubber ducky. She doesn't even own one of these, so I thought it was perfect to just put in the basket. Just a little towel she can put in her bath or something, and it expands. I loved these when I was little, so I'm sure she'll love it. But yeah, that's pretty much everything in here. I also got this stuff at the Dollar Tree. They had a bunch of different colors. So I hope you guys liked this video, and give it a thumbs up if you do, and make sure you subscribe for more videos. I'm going to be posting once a week, so make sure you look out for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!